Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. This is a sacred place for healing. Repeat these affirmations after me, or simply let the words wash over you. Allow them to become truth in your heart, mind, and soul. I release people, places, and situations that no longer serve me with love. I release entanglement with regret, guilt, shame, and grief. All endings in my life serve as medicine for healing. Rejection is divine protection. I am safe. My past does not define who I am in the present or who I am becoming in the future. I allow myself to feel my emotions, no matter how uncomfortable they may be. Allowing myself to feel my emotions ignites my healing process and my journey. Inner validation is the only validation I seek. I walk by faith, not by sight. I trust God to guide me. Every setback is preparing me for a divine comeback. I release numbing my emotions with vices. I release toxic coping mechanisms. My pain is replaced with wisdom. My wisdom is medicine for my healing. I give myself permission to heal. I set firm boundaries and honor them, no exceptions. I release people-pleasing. I go where I am celebrated and not where I am merely tolerated. My emotions are valid. My mind, body, and soul are sacred. I love myself unconditionally. My self-care is my top priority. I forgive myself and allow divine wisdom to heal all wounds. I trust the process of healing and growth. I do not punish myself for making mistakes. I am a spiritual being having a human experience. I am resilient. If I stumble, I will rise again. I will rise from the ashes like a phoenix. God is working for me and with me. I am stronger than any obstacle or struggle. I am safe. I am supported. I release the past. Resentment is no longer welcome in my life. The challenges I've experienced have made me stronger and wiser. Thank you for the lessons. I love and accept myself as I am today. I am capable of creating new possibilities and change. I do not compare myself to others. As I release negativity, my body is regenerating and becoming stronger. I am invincible. My body can easily clear what it no longer needs. Every day brings new opportunities for growth. I deserve peace, happiness, and fulfillment. I am open to the lessons and blessings of every experience. I am supported by God's infinite love and wisdom. I trust the divine timing of my life. My faith guides me through life's uncertainties. Rest and recovery are essential, and I allow myself both. I embrace habits that promote health and well-being. I do not punish myself for my mistakes. I correct and learn from them. I bless the past and embrace the present moment with an open heart. I call back my power from every person, place, and situation that has attempted to siphon my energy. I trust my intuition. I trust myself. Life supports me in every possible way. I improve and evolve every single day. I deserve to rest, recharge, and care for myself. I release self-doubt and embrace my inner strength. My emotions flow freely and peacefully. I trust my heart to guide me with wisdom and love. My self-worth is infinite and unwavering. I release guilt, shame, regret, and make room for love. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the strength of your spirit, the love within your heart, and the healing power of your soul. Carry these truths with you and know that your healing is already unfolding. For more affirmations and guided meditations, please subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell. Like, save, and share this video with family and friends. Until next time, sending you love, peace, and blessings.